Hello, it's me again, and I have made a couple updates to the Google folder, and I hope that this will be helpful. And I wanted to go through each of the folders and just let you know kind of what's there. Nothing's really changed. I've just added a couple of things that I hope will make this more clear for you. First, I would like to thank you for those of you that have added your favorite quotes on the Blackboard assignment. Again, that's really for me just to kind of do a check-in and make sure everybody's still able to access. You will see a document in the big class folder that says favorite quotes. I just thought it would be fun to copy and paste those over there. Absolutely, you do not need to look at it. You do not need to add anything to it unless you want to. I am copying and pasting as you all submit your favorite quotes. The other thing, I appreciate those of you that have gone into the Excel sheet and added your contact information. This will help, especially during the Be Well calendar activity, where a couple of you will need to just make sure you're on the same page with either the directions or finalizing kind of the clip art type of thing. I want to show you, I've added a student bingo folder here, and the intent is that you will take from the fitness bingo projects that you created and you will save that as a PDF file and just upload it into this folder. So please do that. I'll be checking you off on a list, checking off by your name. Definitely give you some credit for that, just putting that in that folder. That way, when we share this with the schools, they will have a bunch of different opportunities for a variety of ways to stay healthy. So do that. You've already created it. Shouldn't take you more than about 30 seconds to upload that into this folder. Let's go back in here, and I want to show you the online directions folder. I've added a document, and it's titled TEDU 390 Checklist. I'm going to open that for you, and what you'll see here are all of the assignments, the things that you'll be doing. If you look at it, you might think, oh my gosh, this is a lot, but really it's broken down so that big picture, it's for the remainder of the semester. And I hope you'll just kind of look at it, kind of get an idea of what's to be expected, but really just tackle each item one at a time. So just take your time, get them done. We will be in touch. And I really felt like I like a list. Some people hate them. It's really a personal preference. If you want to print this, check these things off as you submit them. It may help you keep track of, did I submit it? Did I not? Well, I was supposed to put it on Blackboard. So remember, everything really is going to go into the Google folder. The only thing that you're going to submit on Blackboard are the weekly check-ins. And again, that's for me just to make sure everybody's able to access our site and that you're receiving communication from me. If this is helpful, great. If it's not, ignore it. Okay. The other folder I wanted to bring your attention to, the podcast or video message folder. I thought it would be helpful if I created some documents here. So if you look at the indoor play ideas, when you develop your podcast, you can put your name in here, the name of your podcast or video that you created, and then the link so that we have access to it. This will help us keep them organized by topic. So the indoor play, outdoor play, and the mindfulness videos. So you should see those in there. And looks like somebody may have deleted this information. So I will go back in and add that. Please, when you look at these documents, do not delete anything. I can go in and see who that is. So you definitely don't want to delete anything out of here. Not a problem. I can actually, I'll show you how I'll do that. I should just be able to copy and come into here and Control V, and there we go. So that one's back. So we're fine with that document now. And it looks like the mindfulness yoga. And who knows, maybe I did it and just don't remember. But regardless, bear with me. Okay, there it is. So for the mindfulness yoga, you'll put your name, the name of the video or podcast you created, and the link. That's all you need to do in here. I really think that is it as far as anything new. Let me make sure that showed up. it's there. All right. So here's our big class folder. You've got in the online directions. I'll show you really quick one more time is where the checklist is. I've also added that on Blackboard under course documents, and I am going to show you that really quick. Some of you have already gone into the BWAL calendars and added your information. So one thing I did want to tell you is that I will try to offer a few times where we can potentially meet online if you want to, if you need to. I will not make it mandatory, but it may just help some of you just to see me face to face and we can talk in real time, or if we need to talk over phone. I definitely want to be able to support you throughout this process. Let's get into Blackboard real quick. So this is the 12:30. I'm going to go over here to course documents, scroll down to the bottom, okay, and the checklist will be right there. The other thing that you will not be able to see right now under assignments, you've got your first check-in for your favorite quote, which some of you have done, and each week the next one will show up. So weekly check-in number 2, check-in number 3. And that's not going to show up yet because I have not made it available to you. That's it. I hope you're doing well and hope we have some great weather this week. Be in touch. I'll be in touch with you, and we got this. All right. Have a great night.